वेलकम फ्रेंड्स टू माय चैनल सिविल इंजीनियर वर्क। फ्रेंड्स, अभी मैं आपको दिखाने जा रहा हूँ एक ऑटोमेटिक बेंडिंग मशीन। फ्रेंड्स, you may see here how the bending machine works, and the reinforcement comes with coil. This coil available with 6 mm, 8 mm, 10 mm and 12 mm. Maximum dia of the ring will come uh, 12 mm, and now the reinforcement dia is 10 mm. As you may see, this automatic bending machine uh, makes rings, tie bars, and you may see the different type of bending tie are here. Different size, different shape bending it can do. You may see all these tie or bending are made by this automatic bending machine, and the main computer here, it is the auto board. You may see auto board and varieties of adjustments here. This system, you may see it pulls the ring reinforcement and go through a straight line, and here it by rotating it gives a shape to the reinforcement. Here you may see this is this is a 12 mm dia. Yes, the maximum dia it can be bent is 12 mm, and the backup of the dia is 12 mm. You may see this is a 10 mm dia coil, reinforcement coil. It is a 12 mm dia reinforcement at the steel of hijack steel. Friends, this is fully automated bending machine. Here you may see the shape of rings you are watching. All this can be done by this automatic bending machine, and all the measurement and parameters you are watching will defines this automatic machine.